Hi everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Susanna from 3D Printing Perth. We love to share our 3D printing knowledge with you. We hope you will enjoy our videos. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell button for all our future videos. Make sure to subscribe because we upload new content weekly. Also, check out our social media channels, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. For today's video, we will show you how to assemble FLSUN QQ-S PRO in 3 steps. Once you pop open the box, a bed of timber awaits to guard its contents. Inside the package, you'll discover a hot end and arm base combo, 6 rods, 3 covers, the top, and the feeder. Step 1. Base assemble. Loosen the belt buckle. Locate the end of the hot end to align with the hole of the printer base. Slide the rod through until it reaches the farthest point of the base. Do the other 2 sides. Now, put the cover on 3 corners. Ensure that you line up with the screw hole. Securely fasten with a screw. Screw the other side. Step 2. Top assemble. Ensure that the FLSUN logo is aligned in the same direction as the LCD screen. Insert 2 rods into the apex. Retrieve the screw segment from the end of the belt and carefully slot it into the upper part. Securely affix the nut to the top and twist it in. Ensure that the belt is neither too tight nor too loose. Also make sure the belt is perfectly aligned, with no twists or kinks. Step 3. Connect together. Insert the power plug from the lower base to the outer top and connect the hot end plug together. Tighten it up. Put the extruder to the top. Screw tight with the short screw. Put the motor cable through the small hole. And connect the cable to the stepper motor. Put the PTFE tube to the stepper motor and push to the end. Remove the cable tie off the end stop switch. Move all the way down and make sure cable is behind the belt. Plug into bottom connection. Secure the screw at the top to attach the cover to all 3 corners and both sides. Construct the filament holder with a combination of 2 metals, then securely mount it atop the printer. It is highly advised that you secure the end stop switch cable with sticky tape. We finally assemble the FLSUN QQ-S PRO together. We appreciate you taking the time to watch and we hope you find it informative and helpful. If you're looking for more information on the QQ-S PRO or other 3D printers, be sure to check out our other videos. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can call us at 0406 966 431 or visit our website at 3dprintingperth.com. We also have a physical store located at Dog Swamp Shopping Centre, 6 Wanneroo Road, Yokain, Western Australia. Thank you again for watching and we hope you enjoy the video. If you found it helpful, please like and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you next time.